Hello everyone. Today I'm Tarang Mehrotra, the ICT head of Himalayan School, is going to discuss about the very trending topic, that is machine learning. So, what actually machine learning? Yes, it is a type of artificial intelligence only. Now we are going to make our machine intelligent, right? So, welcome to the magical world of machine learning where computer can learn just like you. So, in this presentation, we'll discover how machines become smart, explore fun examples, and learn about exciting tools like Pictoblox. So we are going to learn machine learning by using Pictoblox, and we'll do one hands-on activity, and you can create your own AI projects. So yes, let's move to the next. So what actually is your machine learning is So, what is machine learning? So, machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from examples. So, not just by giving instruction. So, till now, what we have learned when we create some code. So, what we do, we just automate the system. We just give instructions to the system to do this. Like if I'm creating a calculator using Python language. So what I do, I just give instruction that if user enter plus, just perform addition, and if user enter minus, then do subtraction, and so on. So these are the instruction that we give to machine, and machine just follows that. But do not put its mind. Now we can, it never thinks out of the box, right? So now we try to put mind on machine by making machine learn, by giving examples, by teaching machine. So how we can do that? How we can do that? By giving set of strict rules. We give it examples, we give data to machines, and it learns from the patterns, and then it make decisions and take actions based on that. So let's take an example. If you want to teach a computer to recognize whether a picture is of dog or cat, like we when we teach to a small kid about dog or cat, what we do, what we give, so we show multiple pictures to child, and we label that this is dog, this is also dog, this is cat, this is cat. Then what child do, child in the mind, then the child just noted down the features, that what actually the difference between dog and cat. Then finally, after some times, after taking proper training from the teacher, child is able to say that yes, or able to differentiate between dog and cat, isn't it? So how we do, let's see. We collect pictures. So we collect hundred and thousand of pictures. It's not only one or five or six pictures. We collect thousands of pictures of dogs and cats, and we label them as dog and cat. Then we train the computer. We feed all these labeled picture to machine learning model. So it starts looking at pictures. The model starts looking at pictures and noted down the shape. What is the difference between cat and dog, and noted down the shape of the ears of the dog, or the shape of the ears of cat, nose, fur, and the eyes. Okay, and then learn the difference over time. The model learns to spot the difference between dogs and cats based on the patterns in the picture. So pattern is important. So how machine learns? With the help of pattern, they noted down, the machine noted down the patterns. So we feed lots of data, set of data, so that it can learn and it can detect the patterns of that particular thing. And then after noting down the difference, it make predictions. So when we show the model a new unseen picture, it can predict whether it is dog or cat, just like do we do. Like, so when we shown thousands of pictures, or 50 or 100 pictures to a child, after asking a different picture, a question, whether it is a dog or cat, student or that kid will able to answer, or able to find out the difference, that it is, this picture is of dog, not of cat, isn't it? So this is how your machine learning works. So in simple words, we can say machine learning is like teaching a computer by showing a lots of example instead of giving instructions, right? We do not give instruction, we just teach by giving examples, by feeding lots of data. Just like child learns to tell dogs and cats apart by seeing many pictures or photos, a machine can learn do the same, and sometimes even faster than us, right? So now the next is, yes, how does machine learning work? So I already told you that it gathers the information. So we have to use lots of information, thousands and lakhs of picture we need to feed. Or if we like, have you seen? Let's take an example of Siri. We will discuss it further. So we find, then it finds the patterns and then it learns from the mistakes. So they are the three simple steps of machine learning. First is that it gathers the information. Lots of information has been gathered by the system. We feed, we insert lots of data or information, and then machine process it and find out the patterns. Like these picture all have furry animals with four legs and trails, right? So this is the pattern that has been detected by the machine, and then learning from mistakes, they get better by remembering what went wrong. So suppose you have posted some picture of dog, but if the answer gave by the machine is that the picture is of cat, then it learns from the mistake. That was not a dog, it was a cat. I will remember the difference next time. So that is how machine learning works. So this is three simple steps that your machine follows. Okay. So next is, so let's take an everyday examples of machine learning. Voice assistant. So everyone use Alexa, Siri, Google that can understand what you say. So how? So they are, it's not a magic, right? It is the developer of Alexa, Siri, Google has feeded lots of data, lots of information. Like if someone asks play that song, particular song, so how you're supposed to react, what sentence you have to use, where to go and search, which site you are supposed to search, which is sync with the account or what. So the kind of examples, the kind of different questions and answer has been already fed. Million of conversations, only then they are working properly and efficiently and effectively. So sometimes we notice that even in Alexa and Google not able to answer properly and correctly. So but Alexa learn by these voice assistants learn by mistakes. Okay, then we have smart games nowadays. Like some online games get harder as you play because they learn your skill level, right, and adjust to give you the right challenge. So if you are very good and the computer keep on learning from the games, these games has AI, has machine learning algorithm on the back side, and it keeps on learning and gathered your skill level, and accordingly it prepares the game or challenge for you. Clever robots. Nowadays, we have robots, right, that can learn, move around, isn't it? So, this is the examples of machine learning, good examples of machine learning. Now, let's move to the next. So, why is machine learning so cool? Because super smart computers we have, like machine learning helps computers make decision on their own without being told exactly what to do every time, right? They are not supposed to create code every time to do particular thing. Amazing recognition. So it can learn to recognize animals, objects, sound, just like you can tell the difference between cat and dog, right? Cat and dog. Always improving. The more it practices, the smarter it gets. Just like how you get a better at reading or math with practice. So this is the best feature of machine learning, that it always improve. It keeps on learning. Okay. Now we are going to introduce this Pictoblox. So this is an app. You can just type in a Google and just write download Pictoblox. You have to just download this app. This app is gives you a feature to work on block based programming as well. That is your Scratch, right? And just like your Scratch, but certain environment, certain difference in the environment, some more features are there, but Scratch, all the features of Scratch is there in block based programming feature. And the second is your Python. So you can code either of it, like you can code on text based language also, and you can create code in your block based also. So what you have to do, you have to just download this Pictoblox, and this is very kid friendly software. It has just drag and drop blocks, and we have amazing projects. So just let me uh, move ahead. Okay.